Hey there, history buffs! Welcome back to another exciting journey into the past. Ever wondered how the ancient Egyptians managed to build the pyramids? These colossal structures have fascinated historians and archaeologists for centuries. Well, buckle up, because today I'm diving into the ancient secrets of pyramid construction. Get ready to be amazed by the ingenuity and skill of these ancient builders. First off, let's talk about the scale. The sheer size of these structures is mind-boggling. The Great Pyramid of Giza is massive. It's one of the most impressive feats of engineering in human history. We're talking 2.3 million limestone blocks, each weighing between 2.5 to 15 tons. Just imagine the effort and coordination required to move and place each of these stones. But how did they do it? How did they manage to construct such enormous structures with the tools and technology available at the time? One popular theory is the use of a straight or spiral ramp. This would have allowed workers to transport the heavy stones to the higher levels of the pyramid. Imagine workers dragging these enormous stones up a ramp that wrapped around the pyramid. Sounds simple, right? But in reality, it was a highly complex and labor-intensive process. Thousands of workers coordinated like an ancient construction site. It was a well-oiled machine, with each person playing a crucial role in the construction process. Then there's the water theory. This fascinating idea suggests that the Egyptians might have used water to make the task a bit easier. Some experts believe the Egyptians might have used water to reduce friction. By pouring water on the sand, it made it easier to slide the heavy stones. Ingenious, huh? But let's not forget the human element. The dedication and teamwork of the laborers were crucial to the success of these monumental projects. Contrary to popular belief, it wasn't slaves who built these monumental structures. Recent discoveries suggest that skilled laborers, paid in beer and bread, took pride in their work. Now let's talk about precision. The accuracy with which these pyramids were constructed is nothing short of astonishing. The alignment of the Great Pyramid is nearly perfect. It's oriented almost exactly with the cardinal points of the compass. Theories abound, from using the stars to advanced surveying tools. The exact method remains one of history's great mysteries. It's a testament to their advanced understanding of astronomy and mathematics. So next time you gaze at the pyramids, remember this. They are not just tombs, but marvels of engineering and human ingenuity. They stand as a testament to what humans can achieve with skill, organization, and a bit of ancient innovation. The pyramids are a lasting legacy of the incredible capabilities of ancient civilizations. I hope you enjoyed this dive into the secrets of pyramid construction. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more history deep dives. Thanks for watching. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more history deep dives. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the past.